Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing and doing this makeup look with the new Ashley K Holm Buxom collaboration palette. I am so excited to show you guys this palette. When I saw it come out on Ashley's Ash Instagram, I knew I wanted it. At first it was at Ulta and then they got it in at Sephora, so I was so excited. And she's so sweet. I will comment on her pictures. I asked her about this palette and she responded on her Instagram. So she's super cool like that. She is a celebrity makeup artist. She works with the Kardashians. She works with Megan Fox. So she's just super cool. I love her vibe. I love her makeup looks. Her makeup looks are just stunning. So when I saw this palette, I saw the shades, I saw the look she created, I knew that I wanted to have it. So I'm going to do this makeup look, this eyeshadow look, as well as do some eyeshadow swatches. So I got the idea from my YouTube friend, Heather Austin, so I will link her channel of just doing eye swatches on the lid instead of my arm to show you the colors. So I did a few of those. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look and some eyeshadow swatches, then just keep watching. All right, before I create a look, I'm just gonna do a couple eyeshadow swatches. I got this idea from my beautiful YouTube friend Heather Austin, so I will link her channel. She has quite a few videos where she's doing eyeshadow swatches and I love watching them. So I just wanted to do a couple with this palette just because I'm going to do a look and I'll probably do another video doing another look, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit more of the palette than just one eyeshadow. Right, so we have a mix of some fun colors here, some more, I find them a little bit more, what's the word? Not easier to use colors, but just less intimidating colors. If you're not really into colors like myself, you're more into the neutral side. I love that there's different tones of neutral, like cooler and then a little bit more peach and just some shimmers and metallics. And then I find purple and blue less intimidating, and you have a nice peach here as well. So I am gonna swatch a couple of these. I haven't swatched it at all. This is like the second time that I opened it. I'm so excited. Once I saw this palette, I was like, I want it. I want it. I didn't even think about it. I wanted it. So let's go in and I'm gonna swatch Dynasty first on my lid. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush. I am going to use a brush to do that. So I'm just gonna use a flat brush. I applied a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. I want to get, actually I should apply this with my finger, but whatever. I need to get a good primer because I think a primer works a lot better than a concealer. Just been lying to myself. All right, I'm getting fallout just because I'm using a brush. I'm just gonna go in with my finger with this one, guys. This is a stunning kind of gold gunmetal foiled shimmery color. I definitely got fallout because I was using a brush with this. Oh, just flick it away. But it's like a cooler, smokier gold. Really, really pretty. All right, let's go in with the next shade. I'm just gonna use my fingers. It's just easier for me. I'm gonna go in with a 1989, which is this peach tone, and I'm assuming this is the year Ash was born in. So this is like a nice salmon. Oh yes. Nice salmony peach color. So pretty. It feels really smooth. The mattes feels really smooth and buttery and just blended out really nice. I'm just gonna go up on top of my lid now. This is pretty. Okay, with the salmon, just because it's right beside it, I'm going to go in with Major, which is like a foiled purple color. I feel like there's kind of flicks of pink and blue in there, and I'm just going to go right up on my brow. All right, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It's more like a pinky purple, but I kind of love these two together. Like, it just reminds me of a Barbie bathing suit. Gorgeous. Okay, let's go in with the matte purple on top of this eye. So good. Super smooth, super blendable. What a look. This is gorgeous. But the colors are actually, besides from the fact this is crazy, the colors are really, really gorgeous. All right, let's do a couple more swatches before I get into the look. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Scorpio, which is a beautiful foiled blue color. I'm assuming it's Ash's zodiac sign. I am so into zodiac and astrology. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Ever since I was young, I've always been obsessed with it. So it's cool. It's cool she got her zodiac sign in there. All right, I'm gonna swatch this blue color on. Gorgeous. You could just totally do this blue color and then just blend like a nice, you could just blend, let's just try. Blend a neutral color up on top of it. So let's go in with Teddy. It's a nice, cooler neutral tone, and just blend that through the crease. And this is just like a rough, quick, actually I'm going to go in a little bit with Unfiltered too, which is a little bit of the lighter neutral, and they are giving me a little fallout, but it's just because they're super rich and creamy. So this is just like a really quick look, but this would be so good for like a night out. I'm just going in with Unfiltered underneath my brow, or my lower lash line. But gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I am in love with this palette so far. All right, on my other eye, I am going to swatch Stacked, which is a rose gold foiled color. Oh, this looks really, really good in person and on camera. Oh my word. This looks like I gold leafed my eye. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. I have not seen a rose gold like that. I have a rose gold in my Huda Beauty, as well as I think I have a rose gold in my Madison Beer palette. That is so pretty. Wow, that is stunning. So these are the other two swatched colors. All right, today is going to be a really low-key day. We have soccer later on in the evening. Yay, there's stuff on the schedule. So I'm going to keep it low-key and neutral. I really want to play with the bright colors, but I'm just going to stick to the neutrals. And yes, and hats off to you, Miss Heather, because you do a lot of eye swatch videos and a lot of colors, and your eyes get really sore after a while after keep like wiping them off and putting on more stuff. So Good for you. All right, let's see what I am going to do here. All right, I love that they have, like, that Ash put in a few different neutrals because you can just mix and match with the colors. You don't necessarily want one neutral, and it's nice to just layer neutrals as well, just to add more depth. And I like that there's a variety here. So let's go into Teddy first. I'm going to put that up on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with Iconic on my lid. It's more of a peachy neutral, a light peachy neutral, and it's got a little kind of sheen to it. It's not as matte as Teddy looks. And I'm going to just put that all over my lid and up into my crease as well. Just blend that up a bit. I think that works well for deep set eyes if you want to brighten them up a bit, have more lid space. Just blend a lighter color up into your crease so it can just blend through with your transition color. Now I'm going to go in with Rich Rich, which is this nice deep brown color, and just a pointed brush. These shadows are very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to stick to the outer V right above my crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Teddy and I'm going to just put that under my lower lash line. I find that this kind of helps blend through the corners of my eyes. So because my eyes are deep set and the skin on this one is getting a little bit looser, at the corner it tends to look a little messy when I bring down that dark color. So I'll have to try to pack it in the corner when my eyes close, but I find that when I just put a little bit of a neutral color underneath my eye and just drag it up from the bottom, it just kind of cleans up the area a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Stacked and use that as a liner. So I'm just using an angle brush. This is not Stacked, this is Smokin'. What am I saying? Smokin', which is a matte black color. And I'm just going to buff that into my lash line and bring it out. This will also kind of help clean up that corner. All right, I tightlined and I put on some mascara, and now I'm just gonna go into the shade Live-In, which is a nice gold color, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner. It's more of a orange gold than a yellow gold, so I like that with my blue eyes. I think it's more flattering. And it's not too bright. I don't necessarily love putting a bright inner corner, but I'm just sticking right to the edge, and just because it's not super bright. All right, this is the final look. I'm so happy with the way it came out. I love this palette. I'm so glad I picked it up. I knew that I wanted it when I saw it. So if you are thinking about getting this palette and you're like me, you're not super into colors, you're more of a neutral girl, definitely get on it. If you are thinking about getting it, just to have those couple fun colors that you could incorporate into your looks, I think is awesome. And the actual formula is really, really nice. I think these colors would look good on any skin tone, so definitely check it out if you have been thinking about this palette. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.